Alright, before we dive in, I want you to really focus. What I'm about to share isn't just another random method. It's a strategy I've tested, refined, and used consistently. Don't skip ahead or just look for entry signals. Pay attention to the full explanation, step by step. Every detail matters, and how you apply it can be the difference between success and frustration. So block out distractions, grab a notebook if you need to, and let's walk through this together, because this might just change the way you trade on Pocket Option.